Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set working hours on Google Calendar. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Google Calendar? Now, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type calendar.google.com. And that's going to take you right into your customized homepage. I'd like you to know that. Provided that you have your Google account already set up in your PC, then signing in to Google Calendar is pretty much automatic. Google automatically creates account for you on Google Calendar, provided that you have your Google account already set up in your PC. So once you enter into the website using the URL, as stated here, it just takes you right into your customized account. So now that let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to set working hours on Google Calendar. From your home page, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the settings wheel. Click on that. You have the extended menu, which includes settings, trash, density and color, print, and get add-ons. Go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, that takes you over here. Now head over to the left navigation panel where you have general. So under the general category, you have language and region, time zone, word clock, event settings, notification settings, view options, events from Gmail, keyboard shortcuts, and offline. Now head over to event settings, and that takes you over here. Now for you to set your working hours, head over to default duration and click on that. Now you can set your working hours to either 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 80 minutes, or 110 minutes. So let's do that. If you want it to be speedy meetings, you can just click the speedy meetings. But if you don't want that to be, just go ahead and uncheck that box. So end 30 minutes meeting 5 minutes early, and longer meetings 10 minutes early. So you can check your default guest permissions if you want that. Add invitation to my calendar if you want that. Let others see all invitations if you have permissions to view or edit my events. And you have to automatically add Google Meet video conferences to events I create. So if you don't want to automatically do this, you can uncheck this box. If you want to do that, you can leave the box checked. But this is where you can set your working hours. You can use any of these durations for your working hours. So that's pretty much the process. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you begin to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.